Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock new Lana doll in Dress to Impress new update. Okay, first of all guys, you can join free play mode in Dress to Impress, and then you're going to go to the salon and you will find a doll here. And then to unlock this doll, you need to find 3 items, and I'm going to show you the first location. The first location is here. You can click on this collect button. You can tap and hold on it, and then you will you will collect this item. Okay, now 1 per 3 item collected, and then I'm going to show you the second location. Okay, the second location is here guys, nearby the building, and then you can tap and hold on this haystack, and then there will be a needle that you need to collect. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, and then this is the needle. You can click and hold on the collect button. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the third location. You can go to the house. I'm going to find the room, the bedroom. You can go to the second floor, and then you can enter this room, and here you will find a doll, and you can tap and hold on the squish button, and you're going to unlock the last item. Okay, you can collect the item, and then you can go back to Lana salon. Okay, then you're going to repair the broken doll, and after that you will get this Lana doll. Okay, and now the Lana doll has been unlocked, and you will get seashells as well. Okay, and you'll be able to put on this doll for the game. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!